Hey everyone, in today's tutorial, I will show you how to connect your Canva website to a GoDaddy domain step by step. Whether you are publishing a portfolio landing page or a small page site, this will only take a few minutes. Let's jump in. Go to canva.com and open your website design. Then click publish. Choose use my existing domain. Type in your custom domain from GoDaddy. Click continue. Now Canva will show you a few DNS records. This is what we'll add to GoDaddy next. Canva gives you two records to copy: CNAME record or a record, optional but recommended. Keep this tab open. You will need to paste this into GoDaddy settings. Now go to godaddy.com and sign in with your account. Click my products from here, then select DNS next to your domain. From the left hand side, select DNS. Under DNS management, click add records. Type CNAME, name www, value the CNAME, Canva save you. Click save. Optional, add an A record if Canva provided one. Type A, name value, Canvas IP, and click save changes. This connects your domain to Canva servers and let your site go live under your GoDaddy domain. DNS changes can take a few minutes to a few hours. You can check your site by visiting your domain, like your domain name, then .com. Use DNS checker .org if you want to monitor the update progress. Be patient. Once everything propagates, your Canva site will be live. And that's how you connect your Canva website to GoDaddy domain in just a few steps. Hit like if this helped, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment if you run into any trouble. I am happy to help. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.